Hi, this is Atman Shah from Excellent Reviews, and today we are going to take a look at the MI Smart Bulb. It's a 10 watt LED smart bulb with 16 million plus color options, and you can control this using your smartphone or using voice controls by Amazon Alexa or Google Home. So we're going to open this up, see what's inside, and we're going to set it up and see how this thing works. And before we continue, I would like to request you, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the big red subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button as well. Let's go ahead and continue. So this is the packaging that this device comes in. As you can see, it shows that it has 10 watt LED with 16 million plus color options and 11 years long life and control for mobile app. And it is also compatible with Alexa as well as the Google Assistant. On this side is just the branding, same on the other side, and at the back there's just some specifications written and the pricing and everything. And let's go ahead and open it up now. So there's some documentation about the features and how to set it up. We'll put this aside, and this is the actual product. So it has MI branding on the front face, and when you hold it, you'll realize that it's quite a weighted device. It's not as lightweight as a conventional halogen or a CFL bulb that you'd normally see. And this here is aluminum finish, and this is ABS plastic and metal screw. So this is a B27 type holder. So this won't fit in conventional Indian bulb sockets. You'll have to need a converter for this. And so now we'll set it up and we'll see how this device works. Okay, so I've turned on the device, and to install it you have to go to the MI app on your smartphone and just click on add. You'll see in the lighting section there's an option for MI Smart Bulb. You have to enter your password, and it will take you to the Wi-Fi settings, and then you'll have to first connect it to the Wi-Fi of the device itself. And you can see it's connected to the network, and it's done. So you have to define which room it is in and any name of the lamp if you want, and that's it. So once you set up the device on the MI app, you will see the name of the lamp on the screen, and when you tap on that, by default it will be off, and there are buttons at the bottom. So when you press on, the light will turn on, and here you can set the brightness. Here, right now it's 100%. As you can see, when I scroll the slider down, the brightness of the bulb will decrease accordingly. And you can also set the color temperature of the white by sliding it from left to right. So here you can see from pure white it can go to natural daylight and proper yellow. And then on the other side there's also an option to set the colors. Same option here. If you want to increase the brightness, you just have to swipe up and swipe down, and to change the color you have to swipe left or right. You also have an option to keep fluctuating between different colors by this flow, and so what it will do is it will keep changing the color of the bulb on a random order. And at the end you also have an option for favorites where you have a couple of presets already defined. So if you want a sunrise preset, you can just click on apply, and the bulb color will change accordingly. Same goes with sunset. If you want to watch a movie, you can set it to a movie mode, or birthday. Or if you want a romantic setting, you can go to click on date night or cozy home. One more option for romantic evening. Or you can have a candle flicker effect. So it will automatically keep flickering like a normal candle would. Or you can have a flash notification. So these are the recommended favorites, and you can even set your own favorites and activate that by pressing this apply button. And you can set favorites by going to your normal mode and just setting whichever color and brightness option you want, and then you can click on the heart button on the top right corner, and you can just name your favorites and set it. So I'll just name it test and click OK, and go to favorites, my favorite, and you can see the test option is there. So if you want to activate that, just click on apply, and that same color option and brightness option will get activated. So that's all for this video, folks. This is how this MI smart bulb works. If you have any questions, you can write them on the comment section. And again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the big red subscribe button down below. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.